Okay, we're gonna cross this bridge and go where those people are walking.
Okay, that's easy. Oh, what?
Good job, baby. Pedal, 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 and then we're gonna turn right. Up there, we're gonna turn right and go across this bridge. Yep, go on the other bridge. Whoa. All right.
I thought you always knew that.
Okay, let's get on this.
You always knew.
Sure, you can go this way. All right. Keep going, and then we're gonna go straight up here. Where those people just came, go up, go there.
Okay.
Yep. And then go straight here, go straight across. Okay, honey. Woo! Pedal, pedal. Let me know if you need a break. Woo!
Okay, that's good.
Whoa! Good job, Matteo. You need some water?
I've been taking the whole time.
A little bit. How you doing, honey?
Good. Can't wait to tell Mama.
Ah, good job, baby.
Hey, what's that? Seriously, bro. Looks like there's a tail. There, right?
Mm-hmm, people are swimming. Keep going.
There's a tail. Yeah. Really involved.
You need a break? Or can you pedal up to that green car? Pedal up to the shade. You can take a break in the shade.
Oh, that's really tall.
Oh, Matteo, you know where we are, right?
Yeah.
You gotta stay to the right. Well, car's coming, stay to the right. Right there. Matteo, there's more here, honey.
And heel.
Yeah. Sweetheart? Here, there's one right here. Easy
Because look at
picking.
this one.
Yes. Ooh, nice one. Can you show Grandma?
Ooh. Ah. Mmm. Sweet.
All right, honey.
Wait, but Grandma, this is what I need to get.
You want me to get it for you?
Maybe I can use the berries to get it.
There's some over here.
Use the berries
got it?
to get it.
You got it? Okay.
Where's the other ones?
Okay, hold my bike.
Like, hey, are you videoing me?
Yeah, this is part of your journey. Your first major bike ride. From your house all the way to Grandma's house. On a bicycle. Your longest ride ever, and the first, you're just knocking it out of the park.
Not my longest ride.
This is your longest ride, Matteo.
By myself, like.
You've never done a longer ride ever by yourself.
But I'm not by myself.
You know what I mean? When you're not getting a ride from Dadu or Uncle Kevin or... Okay? All right, ready? Let's push our bikes. You can just push it. Ooh, it's quite loud.
We need another drink.
All right, honey, but this is on video, okay? Is your crotch okay? You keep getting your pants caught in the... All right, ready?
Pause the video.
Keep going. Whoa. All right, let's walk it up, honey. Walk it up. Good job, babe.
I'll pour some more.
No, 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 I want to drink. I'm thirsty. Thanks, babe. Good job, honey. Whew. All right, honey. Whew.
And no, that won't work.
No. No, just walk it up, babe. We'll meet Dadu.
Well, I have an idea.
Yeah?
I sit
No.
on it while moving it.
Sweetheart, the best way is now just to walk it.
Oh,
Okay.
instead of walking it,
Come on.
I could do this.
Get to the mailbox before Dadu gets there.
What's the little box?
You'll see it up there.
What's that little box?
Aren't you impressed?
I'm impressed.
He bicycled almost all the way.
What?
I'm really impressed.
I need some. I need some. Let me have some. I thought you already had one.
Evie, give him some. Evie, give him some. He deserves a big one. Yeah.
Great job. I'm impressed. You biked all the way.
6.2 miles, yep.
How much?
6.2 miles. We did a couple of other, little circles and turns and
And you
whatever.
came all the way.
Yep.
I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed.
I don't think Kevin could believe I'd be
I know.
He'll be shocked.
All right, come on, Evie.
That's what I think. You haven't never said that to me. Okay, that was all my thinking. I did have the idea to bike by myself, right?
Yes.
What's it?
Not turkeys.
But you rather that turkey, but you can sit on that chair and be like, oh, the king of turkey.
That's where the turkeys hang out. I think
And
the
also-
friends leave food there. Their neighbors.
It is Matteo now.
All right, come on. Dadu, come on. Let's get the bike up. No. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, Matteo.
Matteo, bring your sister home.